It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Hard Rock Hotel in Las Vegas. Now the Hard Rock Hotel is closed. It's gonna be closing. It's closed by the time you see this, I'm sure, because I'm here on the next to the last day of operation. And this hotel is going to become the Virgin Hotel. But just for another day or so, it's still the Hard Rock. So let's take a look and see what there is to eat. There's an oyster bar, and there's MB steak, and of course there's the famous Mr. Lucky's. Now Mr. Lucky's doesn't have the $7.77 special that it once had, and of course it's never gonna have that special again, along with the rest of the Hard Rock Hotel. There's a few things. I think the Nobu sushi restaurant is staying, but the rest of this place is closing, and it's closed. It's closed. It says right here, make one more memory, and that's what I'm doing right now. This is the last memory that I have of the Hard Rock. This looks like Mr. Lucky right over here. And as you can see, Mr. Lucky's has all my favorites: spaghetti bolognese, hot roast, steak and fries. The last great party at Mr. Lucky. It's going on right now in Las Vegas. But let's see what else there is to eat. We've got the Pizza Forte. I'm sure this will be renamed, redone, whatever you would call that pizza place. Here's Nobu. By all accounts, this will still be here when you come here next time, when it's Virgin Hotel and Casino. The Goose Island Beer Company. And that looks like it's already closed. Lots of guitars, and these guitars definitely won't be here next time you visit. So you should get here now. Except by the time you see this video, the Hard Rock will be closed.
Hi, little cutie.
Here's the Pink Taco. This is one of the long-time restaurants here at the Hard Rock. They even have a last great party special, 3 street tacos and a Mi Casa margarita for $19.95. I wonder what this place will become. All your favorite rock and rollers, all the rock and roll icons that you know and love, and all the restaurants that you know and love, like Dunkin' Donuts. They're all gone. Well, they're all gone from the Hard Rock. Pretty sure Dunkin' Donuts might stay around. You can get that at a lot of places anyway. But the memorabilia is gonna go. Sheryl Crow's outfits, Eric Clapton's suit. I will miss this place, as it is rock and roll themed. Though I never came here that much. A little too much rock and roll, you know, a little goes a long way. Let me know in the comments what you think about rock and roll. Well, I'm feeling pretty lucky today. So I think I've got to eat at Mr. Lucky. I mean, it's only right. Mr. Lucky, probably the most famous place to eat here at the Hard Rock. So let's go get something to eat. All right, so I'm here at Mr. Lucky's, and I did ask if they still have the 777 special, but they don't. But they do have this special for their last great party It's an all-day burger and beer for $19.95. I love burgers, but I don't drink beer. So let's see what else there is on the menu. Avocado Toast. Well, that's a trendy new item that I definitely don't think was here last time I was here at Mr. Lucky's. They have the old school cheeseburger. $16, $15. Oh, maybe 15 is with, yeah, with the backstage pass player's card. I do think I brought mine, so that's good. There's breakfast foods, omelets, salads for the ladies, and headliners. Yeah, this is what I saw outside. Spaghetti. Should I get spaghetti? I don't know. I wish they had that 777 special. So the Mr. Lucky's 777 special, well, it was a steak and shrimp special. It was a flat iron steak topped with 3 shrimp, mashed potatoes, and a salad. And that was a pretty good deal for $7.77. Definitely made you feel lucky. So I was thinking maybe I could try to make myself that special here from the menu, even if it cost me more than $7.77. But they don't have shrimp on the menu at all anymore. And they don't have flat iron steak. Now they do have a New York steak and fries, the steak and fries. So I could get that. Well, as much as I want to try to recreate that special, it says that the steak comes with truffle parmesan fries, and I don't do truffles. Personal preference. They're like poison. I gotta say, the best thing about this Hard Rock Hotel right now is there's no loud music. Most of my videos are so... It's hard to hear what I'm saying sometimes because the music is so loud. And here in the Hard Rock of all places, I don't hear any music. But you know what does sound like music to my ears right here is something called Cakes and Eggs. This is under the breakfast menu. It's a short stack of sweet cream pancakes, 2 eggs your way, 2 bacon strips or pork sausage links. And you can get that gluten-free for $2 more. It's $17 as is, $16 with the player's card. And normally I'm not big on breakfast foods, especially when it's not breakfast time, which it's not right now. Still, that sounds pretty good. But if I just split the difference here and get the steak and eggs, the 12-ounce New York strip, 2 eggs your way, choice of hash browns or fruit, and choice of toast, $22. All right, that sounds good. Let's do it. And here it is. This is the steak and eggs at Mr. Lucky's at the Hard Rock in Las Vegas. This looks so good. This is rye toast. I had my choice of toast. White, wheat, rye, or an English muffin. I got the rye toast. Got my eggs sunny side up. And I got a fruit cup. Hey, I got a steak knife. Perfect for a steak. All right, let's see how this looks. I ordered it medium. That looks good. It's actually really good. Let's break into these eggs. Oh yeah. I can make like a steak sandwich.
So you have some that are probably going to try to help you. Some that are probably going, I don't know if I want her to do it. They're probably fixed back, so you have to kind of...
steak sandwich. Dipped in egg yolk. Almost forgot my A1 sauce. Ooh, that just makes it smell like a steak. I guess it smells like steak sauce. But A1, you know, that's the go-to all-American steak sauce. Alright, and with that last bite of egg, all I've got left is this fruit cup. So Mr. Lucky's is closed. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is closed. But the Virgin Hotel and Casino is coming soon, right here. And I can't wait to see what there is to eat. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Hard Rock. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat, and it's all you can Vegas.